What's going on, YouTube, man? Back with another banger as always. About to lock in, get more consistent, drop more videos, all that. Even if it's videos and nothing, something better than nothing, you know what I'm saying? So, as y'all see by the title and the thumbnail, we about to hit the cars and coffee. Right now, 7:30 in the morning. Which ain't too early, 'cause I'll be up early, this early anyway. But to a lot of people, it's like, to me, 7 in the morning is some people's 5 in the morning to me. Like, it's too early for them. So, but nah, not to get off topic or nothing. Just about to go. My car is filthy. I don't know if y'all can really see it on the hood, the little filth. But yeah, this car is filthy. So I ain't about to really sit at the car wash and rinse it, because I'm low-key trying to hurry up and get me a spot at this cars and coffee place. I'm trying to, get me a parking spot, so before I get too packed. So yeah, I'm just about to rinse this car for a little bit, just to, at least get the dirt off of it and all that. So that's what we about to do. I'm about to cut the camera on back when we get to the car wash. All right, Bill, we made it to the car wash. I'm about to go ahead and get these quarters real quick. Just like that, car clean. I mean, it's probably about to have water stains anyway, but like I said, I wasn't really trying to clean it like that. I just wanted to really get, most of the stains up off of it. So now we on the way to the cars and coffee now. We're flying up out of here. And yeah, I cut the camera on when I get there. This shit packed. It's a line up in front of me. And then look over there. Packed. That's the spot right there. Oh, you got that GoPro. This is Z01. Damn, look at this shit. Who car is it? That shit hard. I like that. That bitch hard. look at that hood. Wow. The lights on there. That's crazy, ain't it? That's something you don't see every day. Damn, look at the channel. This is what I really came for. Damn, what the fuck is that? Oh, I know what that is. I'm gonna loop around. The Audi. Little y'all know I used to really fuck with the R8s. My little Porsche truck. Excuse me. AMG. Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Want me to make breakfast? It was weird. Weird. Just said, it's like,
I've never seen this before in my life. I seen this one. Oh, this is a Lotus.
10 more grand. Now they're 42,000.
Only way I get a Challenger, it just got to be wide body. If ain't no wide body, I don't want it. Jake, y'all seen that one before. Let me show y'all what I really want to see. It wasn't that bad. That shit hard. That bitch sweet. Oh, I didn't even see these over here. 350's hard. If I'm not mistaken, I think they all manual though. I'm not sure though, but I think they all manual. All of them, I think. I could be wrong though. C8. Could y'all see me in the C8? I like them, but I couldn't see myself in one. I'd get one though, but just being real, I couldn't see myself in those C8. For y'all that don't know, this is my favorite old school Chevelle. Rim's pretty sweet. It's the money maker right here. See what they got over here. Yeah, like I said earlier, y'all ain't know, I used to really love RH. That was my favorite car. Got the V. The drone, look at the drone. Are y'all a fan of the exhaust tips that stick out like this? I am, I ain't gonna lie, I like it. Yeah, look at this 350. God damn, nigga move.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turn shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?